already started like half of my head because yesterday I washed it because I went to the pool and I just twist and curl. Do y'all like my new haircut? I think I really like it because my curls pop now. It's a little frizzy on the ends. It wasn't doing that before, but it's okay. But anyway, I'm going to be using Photogenic. Honey, it smells so, it kind of reminds me of, what does this remind me of? The smell is familiar, okay? Let's just establish that. It may look a little weird. You can't see it, but it's like this brown, but it's okay. Because that's what natural products look like, man, you know? Like, if it was coconut, it would be white. Correct me if I'm wrong. It will be white. But it smells good. Oh, it smells so good. But I like this so far. I've only been using it. How long have I been using it? Since Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Yeah. Because I cut my hair on Thursday and this is what we used to curl it up like this. I like it. I just need to fix that one part because it looks kind of cray-cray. But look. Oh, camera's on the wrong side. It looks kind of like a Dookie Brown. It's okay. You just rub some on the ends and you just twist it up. And it looks good as new. It will shrink. Don't worry. It will shrink. When it curls right up, you'll see that. It curls. It curls. And usually what I do is I just keep going like this, probably like 2 times. And then I separate them, and I twist it up. And it goes right back to the spot where it's supposed to be. Take a section, twirl it up. Make sure you also put the product at the root. I heard that's like mainly a problem for people that's going natural. They never put it at the root. But you should always put product at the root of your hair all the way down to the ends. And it will shrink. And it will literally stay like that. Like I had my hair curled all the way up from the day that I cut it, and my hair did not frizz at all. It did not frizz. It was perfectly fine. It was perfectly natural, which I loved. I just love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Sometimes I need to put a little bit more in the ends because it goes a little cray-cray. Especially if you twist the section and it's really thick. My hair is extremely thick. And if it looks like I'm not putting on the root, sometimes I forget. And I gotta go back and redo it. And it's highly annoying. It's like, Kash, what are you doing? You don't know. You don't know. I need to buy some clips for my hair. That was kind of like a snag. You can also use a comb. You can probably use a Denman brush with this. Hopefully I will get one soon. I know I can get one soon. I need to buy some more of this because this was like a sample or something. Oh yeah, shout out to my grandparents, you know. Shout out to my grandparents. Grandmom got me into this product and I freaking love it. And shout out to their company, Balloon Decor Plus More. my god, y'all. Their decorations for the balloon company is awesome. Like, it's amazing. It's freaking amazing. And look, y'all see that? It's a little, it's gonna curl up, but y'all see that? It's so curly. I can just pull it, and it will dry like that. Like, I'm freaking amazed. Like, when she first put this in my hair, I was like, that's my hair? Shout out to my whole family. Love y'all to pieces. And more. I love all of y'all. Y'all guys are awesome. I didn't want to only shout out one person. I wanted to shout out everybody, because that's just rude. Maybe you want to shout out, just comment below. Like, I'll do that on my next video. I will shout you out. Make sure I'm pronouncing your name right. Correct me if I'm wrong too. and clumps curls. It clumped my curls, my little itty bitty curls up here that's like flying away for some reason. I probably gotta make these smaller. But anyway, it says work on all hair types and hair extensions, showing your product before and after. That's freaking amazing. I don't see anybody else do that. Like, they literally show you like what it can do before and after. Before, you see that? That was me, and this is after. My hair is not as long as hers, but that's after, and that's freaking amazing. Like, oh, so good. But I would suggest this to a friend. Like, I would. This is the stuff. And I will, yeah, I'm gonna just link this in the description because there's a lot about this product that I love. I just love it. And this is the 32-ounce bottle. As big as my face. But I'm gonna finish this up. Like, this side is already completely dry. Bing. And we're just gonna keep talking. And I'm twisting it the wrong way, so it's gonna look some crazy. Gonna put a little bit on there. So I got to the front of my hair. It's a little piece of okay. I'll do this one. It's a little frizzy. You see this? Put it at my root all the way to my end, and I'll just start twisting and twisting. Just like, it's kind of like finger coiling. Twist this one, but it kind of makes me look like I have dreads in my hair. That's what it feels like. These are all over the place. Like, I just unraveled that, and I don't know why I did that, but you can see the curl pattern. I love it. I'm gonna just separate this because it looks like this can be two anyway. What did I do? Oh, and by the way, all I did was shampoo my hair. I didn't add nothing else to it. I shampooed it, went to sleep, and then I woke up the next morning and I literally just use this in my hair. Just use it in my hair. Now my hair is everywhere. And like, this way it looks when it's dry. This one looks when it's wet. So it trues this. Yo, if I had a dimming brush and use this, what? My hair will be awesome. It will be awesome. But yeah. Oh, you can also use this as like a little edge control too. I just found it out too. So, but let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you think about it. Huh? Okay? Alright. I didn't twist it, but it's okay.